All right, so let us compare the advantages as well as the disadvantages between price action trading as well as indicators. So first of all, when you look at price action focuses more on recognizing the patterns. It tries to identify the setups, or it tries to identify the kind of a patterns on the chart. All right, it tries to study the price behavior and it will look for the patterns within the price behavior. On the other hand, when we discuss about indicators are more about finding signals. So indicators doesn't care about the price behavior. All it does is take a mathematical calculation and gives you the buying and selling signals, and you just have to follow the signal. So the second most important point is that when it comes to price action, we will try to understand the logic behind the price. So we will try to understand what's happening behind the scenes. Whereas when you are using indicators doesn't even consider the market behavior. All right, it doesn't care about the price movement, it doesn't care about the market behavior. All it cares about is the mathematical calculation. So here is the most important point. When you want to be a good price action trader, you require practice. All right, so this is the most important key point in this entire video. If you want to be a very good price action trader, if you want to find successful trades with the help of price action based strategies, you need to have a lot of practice. Okay, so price action requires practice. At least it requires some practice in the starting stages. But once you get that practice right, once you get that particular skill, then you can really find very good trades. And compared to price action, indicators are very easy to apply. So all you have to do is, if you are using some indicators, just read the rules, understand the rules, understand how the signals are generated, and directly play with them. So all you have to do is just take the indicators, apply it on the price chart, and follow the signals. So they are very easy to implement, and they are very super easy to apply. And of course, since price action requires practice, it is the most high probability trading strategy for normal traders. If you're a small scale trader, if you're a retail trader, price action is one of the high probability strategies you must use. On the other hand, when we compare indicators with price action, indicators have a low probability. All right, the probability of indicators are very less. And of course, so talking about the major disadvantage of price action is that price action requires forward testing. You need to apply them in the actual market, either in a demo account or in a live account, so that you can test the results, so that you can test the probability, or you can test the accuracy of the strategy. On the other hand, indicators are easy to backtest. You can simply run the computer simulation, or you can simply run it on backward signals. You can identify the accuracy rate and the success rate of any specific indicator. All right, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of both price action and indicators. So we have compared both of them, and now let us try to answer the $1 billion question, that is, which one is better? So which one is better to use for a normal trader like us? So should we go for price action, or should we go to indicator based trading techniques? Let us answer that. Okay, so I'm going to be a little biased because of my trading experience, and I'm a little biased because of my previous experience with using indicator based trading strategies. So in my experience, I would say price action is better. So why price action is better? Well, first of all, when you are using price action based technique, you will get clarity when trading the markets. All right, so you have a clear cut understanding of the market behavior. You will understand what's happening behind the scenes. Since you have that clarity, you can easily trade the markets, all right, without any confusion, or without any kind of without any kind of subjective thing, you can easily understand and trade the markets. On the other hand, price action strategies also provide clear-cut entries and exits. It will give us a clear-cut, a systematic way to enter into the market, systematic way to take your entry, systematic place to keep your stop loss, and a systematic place to keep your target. So you have a clear-cut entry and exits when you use price action strategies. And apart from that, the third one is super obvious. Compared to indicators, price action trading setups have high probability, and that's one of the reasons why most of the professional traders use price action techniques and price action strategies. And also, it's a skill that gives a lot of room for improvement and success. Okay, so if you're a price action trader, you're not fixed to a set of rules. Alright, you can always modify the rules, you can always find new techniques, new strategies, and it gives you a lot of room to improve your existing techniques. It gives you a lot of flexibility. At the same time, price action is more like a skill. So the more you improve that particular skill, the more better you get at that particular thing, automatically it gives you a lot of success. Alright, return wise as well as performance wise, you can be a very good trader if you are sticking with proper price action techniques. And also, price action is very simple and effective trading strategy for active trading. If you are an active trader, if you are regularly trading the markets, if you are looking to make trading as a source of income, or if you are looking to make trading as a kind of a profession, then price action is actually a very simple as well as an effective technique for such type of trading, for active trading. Finally, folks, this is time for a quick conclusion. So we are going to wrap up what we have learned so far in this particular session. So first of all, the main difference between price action techniques and technical indicators is the approach, right? It depends on what kind of approach you have towards the market. So price action relies on pattern recognition, whereas indicators focus on the signals. All right. So one is purely a pattern recognition approach. It tries to study the behavior. It goes in depth into the market behavior. It tries to understand the setup and all these things. Another one is a direct ready to apply kind of a solution. And also it takes practice to be a successful price action trader. So you need to practice a little bit to find some consistency and success with price action based strategies. And also we can see that based on what we have covered so far, based on some of the observations which we have made, price action clearly has some advantage over indicators, right? Price action is better than indicators in many extent, but hey, that doesn't mean indicators are useless. All right, indicators do have their own way of trading the markets. Most of the quantitative traders, they use indicators, in fact. So that's it for conclusion. So finally, here is the most important thing. Kindly don't skip it. So if you have any questions or any feedbacks, kindly leave it in the comments. Alright, please do that. And also, just for the sake of YouTube algorithm, just to make this channel a little bit more discoverable and just to spread the knowledge of finance and trading, kindly like, share as well as subscribe. And if you do that, you'll also receive more insightful trading strategies which is beneficial for you as well. And also, if you want to learn high probability trading techniques, if you want to learn more about price action trading strategies, visit my website, that is www.tradingcoach.co.in. And also, if you want to know more about me, more about my trading style and how I trade different markets, you can find everything in my website. So, and at last, thanks a lot everyone. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for going through the entire video and have a great day.